Hey guys, it's ARIBA. So today I'm sharing with you guys a really cool product that I just came across a few weeks ago. They're called VoluClips. I hope I'm saying that correctly. VoluClips. So they're basically tiny little clips that cause like mayhem in your hair. It's like sky high volume with them. I don't have them in my hair right now, so this is my natural, and then I'm gonna clip them in and show you guys how to like literally double the size of your hair with these things. So they sent them over in this beautiful packaging here, and they come in 3 different colors. They also sent me these cute little bears. One for Zayd and one for Lils. So these are the 3 colors that they come in. They come in the blonde, the brunette, and then the black. And then they also sent over this little bag. I guess you can just like kind of store them in there when you're not using them. Okay, so what I've been loving about these the most is that they're so lightweight that I've been able to sleep with these in my hair and I don't even freaking feel them. They're literally air, like look, it moves when you blow it. So it's a tiny little sponge, and then it has a clip in the back. So you just kind of stack them into your hair and they camouflage with hair so well. So because I have like so much going on in my hair in terms of color, if I use them towards the bottom, I go in with a blonde, and if I use them towards like the mid area, I'm going in with the brown, and then of course on the roots, I'm going in with the black clips. Okay, so I washed my hair the night before, and now it's day 2 of my hair. So as you can see, my roots have gone flat, but the volume is still on my mids and ends. So at this point, I would normally go in with like a dry shampoo at my root and spray it in just to get the volume in here. But with these, I don't need any product. I'm just gonna grab a tail comb. You can also use your fingers. The partings actually don't have to be perfect at all. Just kind of roughly part your hair. And then because my roots are almost black, I'm gonna go in with the darker clips in here. So it's super easy. You just snap it open like this, and you slide that clip into your hair. So I'm just gonna take the clip, take it as close to the parting as I can, twist it around a little just so it grabs little pieces of hair, slide it in, and just snap it into place. That's it. Snap it into place. So you guys see I have the 2 clips right there. And now I'm just gonna flip a little bit of hair over it. So this side is done, and that literally just took 2 clips. And this side is completely done. So now I just want to create a little bit more volume on this side. So simple, I'm just going to snap the clip open, and I'm going to take this edge here, take it right up to the root, twist it around, slide it down, and snap it closed. And that's it. You guys hear my son laughing? He's like cracking up over these. I know, they're so funny, I know. So that's it. So you guys see them clipped in there? And now I'm just going to take another parting. Slide them over. Look at that. Instant volume. This is the first look complete, guys. Look at that. My hair like almost doubled in size with no hairspray, nothing. Just a few clips. Pretty cool, right? Like there's no heat involved and no products involved, and you can like double the size. And they're so soft that you can like sleep with them in your hair. Like they're super soft. I don't even feel like there's anything in my hair. Alright, so that was the first look, and to take these out, it's super easy. You just go right back to where you started, find the clips, and just unsnap, and just wiggle them out, just like that. Close them back up and toss them into your little baggie, and you're good to go for next time. Okay, so another hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys today is a half up top knot. It's also a very quick and easy daily hairstyle that I always do. And with these clips, you can place them on flat surfaces like your scalp, like I just showed you, but you can also place them into your bun to double the size of your bun. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do that. I just like go straight to my nose and and then I create a diagonal parting. And again, this does not have to be perfect because it's gonna get all big and messy like we like it, right guys? So that's our first parting, and then we're gonna create that exact same parting on this side. So starting at the center point, you're gonna create a diagonal going this way. So I like to keep mine towards like the top of my head. So basically the center of this top section is where you're gonna tie it. And as you can see, I didn't tie it very tight at all, and I'm just gonna kind of pull out some pieces, keep it nice and messy like I like it. Okay, so now that our half up ponytail is created, I'm going to create the top knot. So normally I would go in and just kind of twist this around and create my top knot like so. That's not how we're gonna do it today. We're gonna create a jumbo top knot, and it's super, super, super easy with these clips. So I'm just going to hold out my ponytail like this, and because my hair is lighter in here than my roots, I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown pieces. So I'm gonna do a light brown clip in here close to the ponytail. Just snap it into place. And then right next to it, I'm gonna place another one. Snap it into place. And then I'm gonna do one more brown one, and now my hair is starting to get a little bit blonder, so I'm gonna go in with the blonder pieces. There we go. And I'm gonna leave this last little bit out just so I can kind of smooth over the bun with that. And so now that all these clips are in, we're just gonna start rolling. So I'm gonna hold it with this end here, and I'm gonna take my two fingers, I'm going to place them right here, and I'm just going to wrap it around. It's that easy, and then you bring the ends over, and that's it. And now you're going to grab these hairpins in here. So the top one goes into the bun, and the bottom one goes into the base of your hair. So it's as simple as grabbing the edge of the top knot and then sliding it into the base of the hair. And it's usually secured after two, but I'm gonna go in with a third one on the other side. The rest of my hair seems kind of flat in comparison to this gigantic top knot. So I'm gonna add a little bit more volume in through the sides and back here, and it's gonna take me 2 seconds to do. So I'm just gonna create a section right underneath this triangle parting. And because my hair is a lot darker on the root, I'm going to use the darker clips. So I'm just snapping them open, sliding them right in, twisting them around a little bit, and snapping them into place. These are actually like pretty wide, so you think that you're going to need more than you do. Like that was only 2 for this entire section. And then I'm just going to place these. Okay, so look at the difference in volume, guys, on both sides. Isn't that crazy? This is only 2 clips, and this is nothing. Look at the difference. It's pretty awesome, right? So we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side here. And I'm going to clip in a couple of these right on the root. You can also just like pick up little pieces of hair and just clip it in and drop it. No one has to know. Bam! Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 tutorials. These are 2 very easy, quick daily hairstyles that I do, and now thanks to these little guys, they are doubled in size and fabulous. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah. love you.
I love you.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was in collaboration with VoluClips. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.